That's adjustment. 13 minutes walk. Now is another 13 minutes. That's the adjustment of the video camera, but it continuously run. And then let me see. Yes, still taking video. Thank you, video. Do your job. Now this is the playground of the kids right here. Sometimes old people are riding in the swing. I don't think so. If you're old enough, you don't have to use the kids playground. Okay. Just finished one round in the loop. We're going for 2 now. I have to do some stretching. 1, 2, 3. Oh, Mang Remy, tahimik na, mainit na. Oh.
Diba?
Oh.
Nagbabala kami umuwi eh.
Oh, ngayon, kailan uuwi?
Ha?
Kailan kayo uuwi?
Ay,
Uwi na, kahit one month lang, magdala kayo ng gamot. Magdala kayo ng mga medicine. Don't forget to bring medicine.
Ano nang matapasya mo?
Yeah, pwede. One month lang. You cannot go.
1 week?
3 weeks is the longest.
3 weeks?
3 weeks. Huwag kayo mag-ano ng 1 month, 2 months. Yeah. 3 weeks is okay. Make sure you bring all your medication.
Sabi mo, kailangan mo ng photo.
Yeah, 3 weeks. You have to bring. Yeah, first class para straight flight from San Diego to Philippines. 16 hours flight. Philippine Airlines. Philippine Airlines.
Dito?
Yeah, from here to LA, LA to Philippines. Philippine Airlines. 1,300 round trip.
Round trip?
Yeah, ano ko, I will make reservation if you want. I can do it for you. Yeah, let me know.
Okay, yeah.
No, hindi na. Just give me the passport number, everything. Tawagan niyo ako, ha? Isa pa lakad. Kumusta kayo mga? Hello. Uy, baka makagat yan, ha? Oh, di ba? Laki, oh. Tang, baka kagatin yung legs nyo, gawing sausage yan. Bago.
Kaso lang medyo kasi
Oo, aggressive. Oh. O, tanga, kumusta kayo ng Gloria? I-reserve ko kayo. Ha? Pag uuwi kayo, ako maggagawa ng eroplano.
Sabihin ko sa'yo.
Sabihin nyo.
Tatawag ako sa'yo.
3 weeks. Okay po, sige. Okay, suba. That's the old guy. I've been friends with him for the past 5 years. He's a good guy. He's a veteran, retired from the Navy and then retired from the Postal Service. His name is Mang Remy. They're both in the 80s and they're wanting to go home in the Philippines to visit for at least 3 weeks, and I advise them to bring all their medications that they have, because once you're in the Philippines and you're seniors, and it's hard to get medical assistance and money down first before the doctor can see you in the Philippines. That's why it's unsafe for the seniors to go back to the Philippines and retire there. You die within 3 months of staying in the Philippines as seniors. But in America, in States, your health is being protected. We have so much health care provider here. Anytime you can go to the hospital. But in my case, I was released by my cardiologist that future appointment is no longer needed. But I have to continue taking my cholesterol medication, hypertension control, watch the food I eat, and continue on with my life. That's what I'm doing right now, is to walk, exercise every day, and God willing, He will give me more life ahead of me. I have to pray every day to thank Him for waking up strong, happy, no stress and anxiety. God bless. God bless America, God's people, and God bless my family. And to all my friends in the Philippines, be not afraid, because God loves everybody. Each day they will give you food, drink, ask, and you'll be given. Seek and you will find. Knock and you shall be opened. This is now my second round. Been walking about 25 minutes. No chest pain, breathing okay. Right now it's sunny and cool, nice to walk. People 65 or over, please continue exercising. Don't sit around for an hour or two in the television. Avoid watching TFC or GMA. A couple of hours is more than that. Maybe 30 or 40 minutes is okay, but not longer than that. Breathing. Continue walking. camera check. Okay. Tang, gawin ko kayo ng ticket, ha? Gagawa ko kayo ng ticket. Yeah, 3 weeks. Apa? Ladies walking her dog. I put that dog. What kind of dog is that? Morning. She's a lady. A lady with her little black dog. She said, good morning too. Yes. This is our third run. And I think this is enough for today. And I'm heading home. Okay. Blue sky. Blue sky of Hawaii. On this our wedding day, I do love you with all my heart. This is the moment I waited for. I can hear my heart singing. Soon bells will be ringing. This is the moment of sweet aloha. I will love you longer than forever. I will love you longer than forever. Here and now, dear,